Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about AlphaInfuse Hair Regrowth, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Alright, before we begin, I just want to inform you that a lot of you ask me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So, AlphaInfuse promotes itself as a cutting-edge hair growth or hair regrowth serum, claiming to be trusted by over 100,000 customers. The website looks professional and the product features natural ingredients. Some early reviews on Trustpilot, averaging 4.1 stars, mentioned reduced hair shedding and ease of use, but little visible regrowth yet. However, Reddit users have raised several red flags. Some noticed signs of manipulated reviews and suspiciously recent website registration, and doubts about the identity of Dr. James Carter, featured in their ads whose photo appears to be a generic stock image. There are also questionable claims that celebrities like Elon Musk and Justin Bieber used the product, when in reality both underwent hair transplants. AlphaInfuse did respond to criticisms, admitting to delays due to high demand but insisting they've processed all orders and offered partial refunds when needed, found on Trustpilot. Now, for the final verdict, AlphaInfuse might not be a full-on scam, but there's definitely reason to be cautious. While a few users have seen mild improvement, the lack of credible, verifiable results and marketing inconsistencies raise serious trust issues. If you're considering it, do more research and perhaps consult a dermatologist before buying. Thanks for watching. If you've tried AlphaInfuse yourself, let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.